This lovely house hits the mark on so many levels. It's got a great location, a yard with mature trees, finished top to bottom, completely move-in ready, and is super gorgeous. Hi, I'm Veronica McNamara with the Jackie Jones team over at Remax Crosstown. I'm really excited to bring you our newest listing at 118 Copeman Crescent. This great room is light and bright, with vaulted ceilings adding character and height to the space, along with hardwood floors bringing in a nice warmth to the cozy area. Pull up a chair to this bar or cook up a storm in this functional kitchen with loads of cabinets and a great side yard access to your barbecue in the backyard. Completing this main floor are 3 great bedrooms, an updated bathroom, and a second access to the backyard and your 2-tiered deck. This lower level is completely finished with plenty of above-grade windows and a cozy fireplace to hang out by. High-quality laminate flooring is run throughout this space. A 4th large bedroom and a 2nd bathroom complete this well-appointed area. Located minutes to the Highway 400, the GO station, close to all amenities, and Barrie's beautiful waterfront. For more information on this listing or any of our others, please visit us at all social media platforms or at our website, Joneshomes.ca.